Hey guys, Jeff Joyner here, and I'm coming to you from Los Angeles, California, where I'm in town to speak at a conference and had a night off and decided to come check out the Matrix Shared Reality Experience. This is in honor of the 25th anniversary of the Matrix. It's a big screen and with this huge, I don't even know how to describe it. Hopefully I get a little video when I'm in there. But I'm excited. Matrix, one of my favorite movies of all time. You know, when it came out 25 years ago, we thought it was science fiction. Turned out to be kind of a documentary about what's going on in the world. So it should be a fun time.
That's awesome.
This table is saved for the Merovingian. Oh, there's an old school Matrix reference.
Have you ever had a dream, Neo, that you were so sure was real? What if you were unable to wake from that dream? How would you know the difference between the dream world and the real world? What is real? How do you define real? You've been living in a dream world, Neo. This is the world as it exists today. Welcome to the desert of the real.
Try and bend the spoon. That's impossible. Instead, only try to realize the truth.
What truth?
There is no spoon.
Okay, that was super awesome. It blew me away. That was really, really cool. It was not cheap. It was like, I think a ticket was like $70. But coolest movie going experience of my life, that's for sure. Pretty awesome. So, hope you guys thought that was cool. If you get a chance to check something like this out, hey chicks, I love it. Good stuff. Catch you next time.